A common buzzword or question which is commonly asked within ProfileTree is that what exactly is Agile digital transformation? And in today's video, we will break this down. First of all, looking at exactly what the term Agile actually could mean for your business, then looking at Agile digital transformation and showing you how you could benefit from this type of approach today. So what is business agility or an agile type of business? So business agility is a people-centered, company-wide capability that enables a business to deliver value to their customers, and it's basically achieved by inspiring your business or your teams within your business to be collaborative and get involved with new creative ideas or ways of working with people within an organisation with a core purpose or key output to be achieved. So we could say that an agile business can be described as a business that has a process in place that allows them to adapt, respond, and really thrive within rapidly changing environments. So these types of businesses will do this by embracing flexibility and innovation, and they will have a sense of speed which allows them to really seize opportunities and deliver value across its whole business to their customers. So if you're thinking that you need to become more agile, then you want to be able to set your own business up in a way which allows you to quickly respond to both opportunities and threats, which is found within your internal environment and your external environment as well. And these could be anything from the likes of your political, your economic, your social, even technology, or how the likes of the environment can impact your business. You want to be able to adapt and shift and really become strategically aware of how you can manage these types of factors if they do impact your own business in the future. So you can see now on screen some of the factors which show an ability to be an agile type of company, such as being able to adapt quickly to market changes both internally and externally, being able to respond rapidly and flexibly to customer needs, adapting and leading change in a productive and cost-effective way, and continuously initiating change when it is required while containing a competitive advantage. So it's important you aren't afraid to change your business, to change your process and transform in a new way to maybe embrace technology and reach your customers in a higher valued way for your business. And before we do look at agile digital transformation, I want to explain why it's important for our business to be agile. And I suppose because of the future and how unexpected we can see unforeseen changes come, where even the likes of the pandemic forced change upon us, as well as technology that is really growing in terms of artificial intelligence and how this can really affect our processes and our current ways of working. All these factors are changing rapidly, which makes our needs and requirements become even more uncertain. So those businesses that embrace an agile way of working will be able to adapt faster to these changes and continue to deliver regular, high-performing results for both the business and their customers. So now you have a fair idea of what it means to be an agile company. Let's take a look at agile digital transformation and how you might actually benefit from this type of transformation today. So this brings us on to looking at agile digital transformation. And an agile digital transformation refers to the process of adopting agile principles and practices during the transition to a more digitally driven business model. And this normally involves leveraging digital tools and technologies which really allow you to strategize and drive to be more innovative while improving your internal operations and your overall operational efficiency and enhancing your customer experiences. So agile digital transformation is quite different in this approach, and before we can consider what digital transformation means in terms of that agile perspective, while looking at the key elements and considerations, I want to let you know that at ProfileTree we offer support for businesses in adopting an agile digital transformation approach. and actually encourage it as one of our key aims and objectives. So if you are considering implementing an agile digital transformation within your own business environment today, make sure and reach out to us for support, where you can find the business email and my own personal email on screen now. So let's take a look at the ways you can aim to deliver this type of transformation and how you as a business can benefit from it. So at ProfileTree, when initiating this type of transformation, one of the first things that we encourage you to consider is embracing an agile mindset. So what does that exactly mean? So first of all, agile transformations require a shift in mindset at all levels of your company, and embracing values such as adaptability, collaboration, involvement, and continuous learning is a way to really excel in this particular area. It also means promoting a culture of experimentation, where you need to accept failure is going to happen within your project and actually see it as an opportunity to learn. And you can do this by encouraging your employees to take ownership and accountability, where the new technology you're implementing can actually be quite a daunting challenge for any business, and the best learning any business can receive from doing this is through really embracing this agile type of mindset and aiming to get the most out of your new technology. The second point is in terms of agile project management, and as digital transformation is treated as a project initially, an agile project management practice is going to be an important approach for you to effectively lead the overall process, such as the likes of daily stand-up meetings, and looking for different ways to encourage transparency, collaboration, and adaptability. And these practices ensure that the team stays aligned throughout the whole process of your digital transformation, allowing the key stakeholders to be identified and communication to be effective across all teams and departments. And in doing so, your business will then be able to respond promptly to any changes within the market. The next point I want to mention is in terms of customer centricity, and an agile digital transformation places such a strong emphasis on understanding and meeting your customer demands. And we really see this type of approach with the likes of Spotify as an example, who are always adapting and shifting their ways of working to meet their customer demands and meet their listening habits. And they will do this by gathering insights through data analytics and market research, then use this information to really drive decision making, prioritize digital initiatives, and create a service that is really of value to their customers. We at ProfileTree would also encourage cross-functional teams, where agile digital transformations often involve restructuring teams into cross-functional units with a diverse skill set, and this can be an important factor for getting the most out of your teams and your workplace as a whole, where these teams are responsible for end-to-end delivery from the beginning of your project right through to the end. For example, within ProfileTree, the collaboration amongst team members from different functions, such as our design team and our development team, enhances communication, efficiency, and problem-solving capabilities as well. And we have effectively managed this through implementing a new technology project management software system through a digital transformation this year, showing our knowledge and understanding of this particular area. We would also encourage you to adopt an iterative approach, where we have thorough understanding and experience in key agile methodologies such as Scrum or Kanban, which are commonly used within agile digital transformations today to enable iterative development and a project management initiative. And we would encourage you to use these types of processes, as work will be divided into smaller increments known as sprints, and cross-functional teams can then collaborate effectively to deliver value in each of these sprints. And this ties in pretty well with actually adopting an agile governance and leadership style as well, where any type of agile transformation will require adaptive leadership and governance structures that support agile practices. So say you're within a business who has quite a hierarchical decision making approach, we will aim to decentralize this, where key stakeholders across your whole business will be empowered to take on decisions and be involved with different types of strategic outputs, will allow us to foster a culture of trust and experimentation within your business. So that sums up some of the main factors you will need to consider when going through this type of approach, where we've seen an agile digital transformation involves aligning digital initiatives to really drive innovation within your business, as well as enhancing your customer experiences. Also, being flexible in this approach will also allow us to easily react to changing market conditions. But like any transformation, we at ProfileTree also encourage you to consider key strategy. So looking at key digital transformation strategy, which oversees culture, processes, people and technology, will be vital to creating a more agile company that you're striving towards. So before I finish up, I want to remind you that we are offering digital transformation services and support. So if you do have any questions or seek any support in this particular area, make sure and reach out to us today and we would be more than happy to help. That is the end of today's video. Thank you very much for watching and have a brilliant day.